So I'm trying to mount dash cam, rear-facing dash cam, on the hatchback of a Prius 5, and I've ripped this panel piece off here, just pulled it off with my fingers basically, and I'm trying to feed the wire into the body out this little hole through this grommet thing, but it's really hard to get the wire through here. So I have an idea. I have these bristle brush brushes, and I took one and I pulled the bristles out, and it's crimped on in, and I'm gonna uncrimp it here. All right, I unbent it using some needle nose pliers, some screwdrivers. Warning, on my bristle brush, it's basically just a piece of sheet metal that's wrapped into a tube, but where it's exposed, it's a little sharp. All right, now I was able to get the tube, because it's stiff, through the grommet. Okay, now I should be able to shove this wire through much easier. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh no. I don't want to leave this in here. Pull it out and then unwrap it. I'm trying not to cut myself in the process. Just a piece of sheet metal. One-time use, I guess. That's really sharp. Just
don't cut your wires.
Voila. Right, so now I have the whole thing buttoned up. I have a little clip here, goes into the panel. I've reattached it, and it comes down through the grommet, which has been reassembled, and then the end of the wire now is down to the internal car paneling. Give me a like if you found this video helpful. Thanks.